In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your YouTube earnings. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, if we go to YouTube app, we can tap right here at our profile picture, select your channel, then we can get into our YouTube channel analytics, and that's where we can get information about our YouTube views, watch time, and subscribers. However, unfortunately, there is no way to check our YouTube earnings. That's because we need to use YouTube Studio app. Just go to the App Store or Play Market and then search for YouTube Studio. Once you've done that, once you have downloaded that app, open it up. And once it is loaded, on the main dashboard, we can easily find estimated revenue. We can tap on it to get more information about our earnings. You can see that graph that shows my earnings for the last 28 days. If we tap on it, we'll be able to get more detailed information. Now I can filter it by 7 days, 28 days, 90 days, 1 year, and also I can choose some particular month. That's how you can easily check your earnings on YouTube.